Hello everyone, this is my wall-mounted AC. Wall-mounted AC. This unit is for my living room and is 2.5 horsepower. 2.5 horsepower condensing unit. So today I'm going to this whole wall is on my side of my living room, connected and to the bedrooms. Today I'm going to install this isolators here. As when the compressor is working, it will transmit some vibration through this bracket to the wall and inside the living room. So when the compressor kickstarts, it will have a loud sound of vibrations. So this type of isolators will control it, lessen it, not say to zero, but it will still have some small sound to be heard. These two boards is actually not linked together. Inside is not linked together. There's a disc here, two discs. The boards linked to a disc inside. So right at the center is just a hard dropper that will absorb the vibrations. I've installed these isolators to my other unit. As you can see, this is the smaller unit, 1 horsepower. And I've installed a small one. So you see, when I shake it, it's actually floating. This side I use 4 because it weighs more, the compressor side. Whereas this side I install 1, which is like the 2, 1 on each leg. You can see, small one. So it's actually floating. So it lessens the noise a lot. I'll come back when I see when I install finish. Thank you. Hi guys, I've fully installed the full 4 isolators. It's just a 10 minutes job. You see, now as I shake it, the compressor is actually floating. It's now floating, so it doesn't transmit so much the vibrations of the compressors to the wall. It's pretty easy, just a few bolts and that's it. That's it. This is for the 2 horsepower. 2 horsepower. Thank you. Bye bye.